When you have too many tabs open, finding the one you need can quickly become frustrating. Fortunately, Microsoft Edge includes tab groups, a feature that helps you organize related tabs into neatly labeled sections. In this video, I'll show you how to manage and organize tabs in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. To create your first group, right-click any open tab. From the menu, select Add Tab to New Group. A small window will appear where you can give the group a name and choose a color. Giving each group a descriptive name such as Work, Shopping, Research, or Entertainment makes it much easier to recognize at a glance. The color you choose also helps separate different projects, making large numbers of tabs far less overwhelming. After creating the group, you can continue adding tabs to it. Simply right-click another tab, choose Add Tab to Group, and select the group you want. You can also drag tabs directly into an existing group to organize them even faster. Once a group contains several tabs, click its name to collapse or expand it. Collapsing groups is a great way to free up space on your tab bar while keeping everything organized for later. Tab groups are especially useful if you work on multiple projects, compare products while shopping, study different topics, or simply like keeping personal and work-related browsing separate. You can create as many groups as you need and reorganize them whenever your workflow changes. That should do it. Your tabs are now organized into groups, making Microsoft Edge much easier to navigate. If you want more browser tips and customization guides, feel free to stick around for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.